It's a summer day.
Today the first of summer.
It's the first of summer. It's the first of summer. It's the first of summer. Woo!
All over the world, today is the first of summer. Right now, during them time here, enough people are gonna get about cheating. Enough relationship are gonna break up during the summer. Due to because when the time hot, man choose to do some dumb shit. Not talking me specific, but just saying. When a man cheat, we just cheat for get pleasure. Who say sex overrated? Make me soon raise on a hand. Oh shit, I can't say no. Most of the time when we cheat with girls just to get over like a sexual fantasy, or we cheat because we just want to come. 9 out of 10 times when we have sex with a girl, the girl never that look good, but she can sex though. A guy if I have sex with a girl, we can do that and have no strings attached to them. Trust me, trust me, trust me. We can have sex with any girl. As long as we just go do what we go for do, which is have sex and done, we not gonna have no strings attached. But if it's a girl trying to cheat on her boyfriend and she gonna have sex with the next guy, first of all, let me teach you something. A girl not gonna have sex with a guy unless the guy have something. Could have been money, car, in personality. A girl just not gonna have sex with a guy for no reason. Me not talk for no man, but me talk for myself. More time when me cheat because she was not there at the moment, I just call a girl, use her vagina to masturbate. Sex is always on her mind. Woo! Hope everybody enjoy them summer.
Pool party. If I even the beach, me have to reach a summertime.